You want daddy to do it? Okay, just do it.
Jump in.
Yeah, go jump in.
Jump in and dunk, but don't splash. Yeah. Are my shoes out here? Yeah. Oh, no. I'm gonna make that. I think we're back.
Oo, malamig eh. Mainit. Sobrang lamig yung tubig.
There's stuff in this bag. There's jade garbage. Not mine. What is it? Me. Oh, I do. We do. Oh, wait, it's on high.
Gilana, you wanna go now to the sauna? Do you guys want namis? Tigtanong mo kung gusto nila makakain. Do you guys want food?
Yeah, we want Sure.
Okay. Ate don't have this.
Now put your shoes over here on that one. What do you guys
Chris, what do you guys want? What do you guys want? What chips you guys want? What chips you guys want? Okay, don't burn yourself in sauna, okay? Don't too close on sauna. Julene, don't be close in sauna. Kita man pa di sauna ni mamaya
Dapat pala nakaharap dito.
Oo nga eh. They're doing sauna.
We could have put the front here instead of there.
I asked her.
Well, we don't. Well, I want it there next to the pool now. I want it next to the pool.
We're gonna move it over there.
Can we move it?
We're gonna move it over there.
Ah.
Think of winter. Think of nine out of 12 months.
Okay.
Where do you want to ban it? Because you're gonna use it in the winter the most.
Oh, yeah. But I like to have that
But the
cold
pool's
plunge.
coming down and
Oh, really?
real fast. Can't stay up for winter.
Hey, are you cooking for them, Han? Matamaan sila ng yung nagburburok. Don't be too close. Don't be too close. Paano mo tiyan to, Dong? Paano ba yung naka-open tong kalahati na ito? Di ba pwede? Ah, yan ba? Ito ni. Ah, ayan pala yung nahanap ko yan. Okay, pati. Oh, wow, it's warm. Oh.
I'm sure.
Are you guys warm or now?
They don't like because it smells. This is so bad, but like just because you can't. It's hot. Yeah. It's hot. It's not like regular. It's not
Now
cold
you guys,
water.
now it's nice going back to the pool.
Yeah.
Yep. No, the steam makes yours sweaty, and then makes clean your pores and all that. So that's a good benefit of that.
See, like, so you can't. That's what I don't like about saunas. Makes you so you can't breathe.
But you can go. I think for those big sauna, this one is tent, so it's there's always open. This one now it's open there,
What?
so you can do it.
What do you guys want to
What chips you guys?
for dinner? Yeah. I don't know.
You guys want rice? Rice and adobo. We have rice and adobo.
And we have this pancit. Can we have pancit?
Adobo, yeah. Your dad's. You remember that your dad likes it.
Adobo?
Yeah.
Pancit.
And there's noodles too. Yeah, pancit is there.
Pancit and rice.